Hey, and thanks for joining. It's Patty from PS Paper Crafts, and today we're going to make this great project kit. It's a Christmas countdown or an Advent countdown. You get this in a box together. You have your instructions and all the stickers and everything, the numbers, all of what you need, and this box that's already put together, and it's really sturdy. It has the little boxes. They're made well, and you can actually decorate this side for Christmas or Advent, and then after Christmas you can turn it around and decorate it for another holiday, or keep little, I don't know, little embellishments or something like that in here. So you can use it for, they're good size. So you can use it, I'm going to use it for my two grandkids. I'm going to make it for Christmas, countdown for Christmas. I'm going to have a little note, maybe some scripture, candy, a little toy, little something in each box for the both of them. They'll get one and they'll have to share it. And so anyway, let's get started. What you need with this is, well, you don't need it, but if you want to put it together this way, there's a coordinating stamp set that you'll use. You don't have to use this. You can decorate it your own way, but this is what goes with the stamp set, or the project kit. You have to buy it separate though. And then you need Mossy Meadow ink, cherry cobbler, and early espresso. Again, that's if you're going to make it exactly the way it is. And then you need your adhesives. And this is a little bit it's almost like an IKEA instruction. It doesn't give you a lot of information, but it does have it in different languages, and it tells you what your kit includes, some tips, coordinating colors, those kinds of things. And if you open it up again, you have each of the boxes that have a different pattern on it, and it tells you like number 1, and if you go back here, number 1 is stamp and early espresso. Number 4 is adhere sticker, and then number 5 is adhere using the dimensionals. So you can get your color schemes by just following the numbers, and you can make them any way you want and put them in order any way you want. And then on the 25th you can put this pretty wreath. That's the only one I think that gets the wreath. They give you some extra pieces, so if you make a mistake or you want to do more than one wreath, you can do that. So let's get working on this. I think what I plan on doing is I'm going to do the stamping on each of the boxes, and then I will decorate with the stickers and get that part done. So let me get this out of the way, and I'm going to make it just like this. So I'm going to go through and follow along with, I'll do the reds first, so it looks like, and actually I'll do the stamping and the stickers. So it looks like I'm going to stamp with this little bit of stars with early espresso just around here. And this stamp set is really cute. I think this bird, the cardinal, is really pretty. This is great for just the background, and I think this is pretty. And then these great borders. So if you get the stamp set, I think you'll use it again for other things. So let's get started. We'll do the early espresso, and I'm just going to stamp it right around. Let me see. And this, I guess, will get covered up with a number. So I'm not going to be too precise in it. Pretty easy. Okay, and then I put a sticker on it. So let me get those stickers. These are really pretty. They're white snowflakes, and you just peel them off very gingerly and gently. And put it down. Simple, right? I'm going to put it so that the point is up. And I'm going to speed this up so you don't have to watch me do each one painfully. So there we go. We've got the first one done. They give you an extra one if you want to use it for something else. So let's put this aside and let's do this one. So this is number 2. We're going to stamp in Early Espresso again. Okay, let's put these aside, and I think this is a really pretty stamp. So I'm going to just get a piece of scrap. And actually I think I'll take these out because I'm going to go off and I don't want to go on the one next to it. So let's just get these all out. Put them all lined up. Oh. My hands are a little off there. Okay, actually I should just do them one at a time. Isn't that pretty? It's a little light, the ink, but I'm going with it. Okay, so we have these done and the red one's done, and I'm going to just stop this and pull these all out. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So we have 1 done, we have 2 done. Number 3 is just the stickers, so there's no stamping there. So let's get those stickers going. And it looks like we just put a little red banner at the bottom, right from the end over. And then a little white and red flower. And they don't have to be exact. So number 3 is done. Let's do number 4, and this does require stamping. So that is this one. And we're going to use these long stamps. I mean, this is really long. And this one doesn't even fit, but we're only going to do the center. So we're going to use Cherry Cobbler and Mossy Meadow. I think I want 1 flower in the center, and we kind of went up. My Cherry Cobbler is not very dark. I think I'm going to use real red. Hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I think I have an extra one of these, so with the extra pieces, I'm going to leave that aside. I did find that I have a Cherry Cobbler Stampin' Spot from one of my paper pumpkin kits. I need to get a re-inker for my Cherry Cobbler, especially now, this time of the year. So let me try this again, and I'm going to put that one off to the side, and hopefully I won't need it. There you go, that's much better. Okay, and let's see, make sure that this fits well with where I have it placed. I'm going to do this part, and then I'll speed it up. This is the Mossy Meadow above it and below it. Yeah, that's pretty. Much better. Okay, let's get this one going. Okay, so we have this one done, and this one we're leaving aside. So we're getting through these. Number 5 is just stickers. So we're going to use this little flag sticker. Let me just find it. Oh, it's right up here. So this will just go on these. I love this Christmas tree, this little white Christmas tree. Very cute. And then I'm going to lay them in order the way I want them on the box. So I'm just getting everything prepped. Then I'll kind of lay them out, see where I want everything. And we'll put the numbers on. Let me put this away so we don't get ink on anything. So see how easy this is? I think this would be a great thing if you did it with your kids or grandkids, or if a few of you got together, one person, you chip in, you get the stamp set and share it, and then you get together and make it, have a fun night making it. Okay, number 5. Number 6 has some pretty foil, so let's get that one done. And then we need to put a bow on it. Put a bow on it. Cute. I mean, you could have little kids do this. So cute. So number 6 is done. Number 7, oh, number 7 we're going to stamp on this one, or I think I did these wrong, but it doesn't matter. I think this one was this. Yep, I did them backwards. Oh well, doesn't matter, and I don't even have this stamped. I guess or mounted. I guess I didn't mount this. Ha. Okay, and this looks like it is cherry cobbler. Let me just confirm that. That is number 2. Cherry cobbler ink. Okay, we're gonna have to ink this up pretty good. And then we're done with making our box covers. Let me get my cherry cobbler. And just make sure it looks okay. All right. Hopefully this isn't too dark, the wood grain. That was an oops. I'm trying to see how they did it. Looks like they did it over this way. I don't think it even matters. It's just like a little background. So let's get this going. Okay, and then this one, I'm going to have one with the wreath on it, so let me put that one on first. That's our big number 25. And if you didn't want to put numbers on everything, you can put stars down. Oops, there's a little piece caught in there. Okay. So they give you stars that you can also use instead of numbers. So if you wanted to mix it up, make one special, 25th, a star, you could do that. And then let's get these other pieces on. These are really pretty. I'm glad they give you some extras of these because I think they'd be nice on a card or a tag or something like that. The snowflakes and this greenery. Okay, so let's get rid of some of this stuff. And then what I want to do is just lay out my boxes where I think I want to do them. Because I want to put them like in a, I don't want all the same ones to be together. So what I'll do is I'll just kind of lay them out where I want them. So I want 5 across. Put that one aside. Do this one, and then what don't we have? I'm actually going to follow along with this. So, and then I'll put them on the box. That would be easy. I like to follow. So, 8 would be the red. Okay, so I have these extras. So if I wanted to switch them out, I could. But I think I like it. It's funny, I don't really know how I missed the bird. Maybe I shouldn't have followed the instructions and just followed the picture. Looks like the bird is on this one has the bird on 2 and the other thing on 2, but it doesn't matter. So now I'll just take my numbers and I'll go through and I'll put a Stampin' Dimensional on them. And I've got a brand new pack here. And I'm going to do this and then I will come back because I don't want you to have to sit through all of this. And I'll have it back and in the box. Okay? I'll be back. So I'm back again. I just wanted to show you, I put one together. A couple of things. On the 25th, you put a little ribbon there. If you did use the cardinals on these, you put this gold ribbon below that. So just a couple of things. And I'm going to just show you how to put one of the boxes. I used liquid glue. You could use whatever adhesive you want. And I just put it on the back. And then I'm going to stop this, put them all together, and then I'll show you the final product. So just put it on the back and put it on your box and get it in the right place. That's why I like the liquid glue. You can kind of move it around and then you're done. Then you can start putting them in your box. Okay, I'll be back when I'm done. Hi, so I finished it. Isn't it great? I love it. It's really so sturdy. The boxes, they don't come out very easily. I mean, I don't think you could really knock them out. This one popped out a little bit, but anyway, they're nice and big. I think it's really beautiful. I'll use it year after year with my grandkids. This would be a great project for you to make with your kids or your grandkids because I think it's easy enough for them to make and get excited about. You could do it as a group. Each of you buy the set, the project kit, and then somebody or you chip in for the stamp set and the inks, and you can make it or make it your own. And again, you can turn around the box and do something completely different on this side and, you know, store it away, store things away, and then pull it out for Christmas and start all over again. So I hope you like this video. Sorry if it was a lot of choppiness, but I didn't want to have you go through every single step. So anyway, it's really beautiful. I love it, and I'm really happy how it turned out. So anyway, come back again and see my next video. You guys have a good day. Bye.